Hello everyone, welcome to It's Crochet O'Clock. My name is Stephanie and today we are going to be looking at an unboxing for the Snowball Express, your blankets that you've sent in for the charity. If by some strange act of nature you have no idea what the Snowball Express is, I don't know how that happened, I'm not doing my job properly, but I'm going to tell you about it real quick before we take a look at the blankets. The Snowball Express is an annual charity event where it takes children of fallen warriors and their surviving parent to Disney World over the Christmas holiday. They go for 4 days. They get flown there. All of their accommodations, including hotel and food, is all paid for, and the children are also given gifts while they're there at Disney World. And one of the gifts that they are given is handmade blankets, and that's where we come in. I have a lot of family members that are members of the Daughters of the American Revolution, specifically the Florida Daughters of the American Revolution. And the Florida Daughters of the American Revolution are doing a massive drive, they have been for a couple months now, to build up as many handmade blankets so they can donate it to the Snowball Express. So these blankets can be anything as long as they are handmade. They can be crocheted, knitted, quilted, or they can be fleece blankets, but if they're fleece blankets, they have to be only one layer. That being said, whenever you're thinking about fibers, please remember that a lot of people are allergic to animal fibers, and we don't want one of these babies ending up getting something that they are allergic to and that they will not be able to enjoy. So try to use things like cotton or acrylic, and if you're using cotton, please remember that these items, you will have to mail them to my home in Florida, and cotton can get heavy, and in the US, everything is done by weight. So keep that in mind. Acrylic might be your best option for this. The blankets can range in size from 36 inches to twin size, and that is because all of these children of these fallen warriors are from infants all the way up to teenagers. So whatever it is that your heart is telling you to do, just go ahead and crochet it, because, or knit, or quilt, or make a fleece blanket, because some child is going to love it for this project. That being said, I've had a lot of people comment and ask me about American flag blankets, so I would like to take a moment to point out again that these are all children of fallen warriors. American flags get draped over caskets. They have all had to bury a parent, so the Snowball Express is meant to be an event that brings them happiness and brings them joy, and it allows them to connect with other children who have also suffered the same losses that they have. We do not want to remind them of one of the worst days of their lives. So if you send in an American flag blanket, we will still accept it, but it will probably go to Project Linus and not go to the Snowball Express. So, you guys ready for the unboxing? I'm ready for the unboxing. I love it. There's so many blankets that got sent in over the month of December. My cousin and my aunt's chapter of the Florida Daughters of the American Revolution have been opening them for us. My cousin has been filming them because, again, I cannot be there for the meeting for the unboxing, but thankfully my cousin Amy filmed all of this for us. And the president, Beth, you will see her in just a few minutes. She's a very lovely lady. I did chop out a little bit of the video because letters were sent in and addresses were mentioned, and I don't know if those folks want their addresses made public out here on YouTube. So the first two blankets you are going to see are from Geneva Sipe, who is a moderator in the It's Crochet O'Clock Facebook group. She bought yarn, and her mother, who is a member of the South Carolina Daughters of the American Revolution that lives in Rock Hill, South Carolina, she crocheted up the blankets. So let's get right to it.
So we have two blankets. This is the blue and purple one. Isn't this gorgeous?
That's pretty.
Gorgeous.
Oh, gorgeous.
I love it.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Color.
So we're gonna put this right here. And then there's also a pink one, and it's got a shell type of crochet. It's a shell.
It's beautiful.
And then we have two more boxes. Alright, this one is from Nancy in Newport Richey, Florida. And she has packaged them in the bags, and we'll seal them back up. Doesn't figure out how to beautiful.
Oh,
Look
wow.
at the colors. Oh, there's multiples. Look at the colors. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Oh, turn it around.
Turn
The
it-
other side.
Yeah, so you can see the
Oh,
bubbles.
it has bobbles.
Oh, yeah. That's beautiful.
gorgeous.
Do that.
It's I have something I started years ago, never finished it.
It's really well.
Navy blue.
I just
And
don't
here's
have
one.
patience.
Oh my
This
goodness.
pink.
Oh, wow.
It looks like a watermelon.
Oh, that is
Beautiful.
gorgeous.
Oh my.
I'm sure all of the kids and everybody will love all these.
That one's got little
Oh,
flowers in the
that is
corner.
pretty.
That's a American babies.
Oh, it
It's
has
got
little.
flowers.
Yeah, from the other one.
Yeah. The corners.
Those are pretty.
Oh, yeah, that's gorgeous.
And then there's more. Where those came from.
Nancy was very busy.
So we'll be taking these down to our state conference for our donations in
That's a big
March.
one. Orange.
That one has
that's
beautiful
nice.
colors
Look
and
at that.
textures.
Oh, yeah.
That. Oh, that is gorgeous.
Did one lady do all these? Or
This box that she's opening is from Nancy Hildebrand.
Yes.
Yes.
And then
Those are
Wow, those are beautiful.
I don't want it to drop. That one's
those are all crochet.
that one has multiple different colors and stitches.
Mm-hmm.
Very unique.
I used to
And this one's heavy. It's got some weight to it.
40 years.
And then we have one more box, and this one is from Emma Godigan.
This is Emma from Pip and Poppycock.
Yes, from
Yes.
Falls Church, Virginia.
Mm-hmm.
And then this one, I really wanted to take this out earlier.
Oh, look at this one. Oh my goodness. Turn it around the other way.
Look at
Yeah, there you go.
that. Oh my.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
That is
Oh
absolutely
my
gorgeous.
goodness.
I think
That
that's embroidered.
looks
It's
like the Havana.
And it's very heavy.
Yeah, that is
It's got a good
gorgeous.
weight to it.
Mhm.
It's very
Two
soft.
sides. Yeah.
She put it together.
A lot of
very
time went
pretty.
into this blanket.
Yes.
That's a
So
warm blanket.
we thank you for your donations, and we will be happy to pass along the blankets to the project and keep them coming.
How awesome was that, guys? You guys, thank you so, so, so much. Geneva, Mary, Emma, and Nancy. Nancy went into overdrive when she sent in her blankets, but we are so, so, so very thankful to you guys. Once again, I want to thank the Florida Daughters of the American Revolution, the Kenyaksa chapter, that's Jacksonville, Florida, for allowing us to participate and to help donate our blankets to this lovely cause. My cousin Amy for filming, and to Beth, the president of the Kenyaksa chapter of the Florida Daughters of the American Revolution, for unboxing it for us. So make sure that you go to the website, it's crochetoclock.com, click on Snowball Express, and send in your blankets.